Hello kids. Today we learn some colors name. Light green color, red color, dark green color, yellow color, blue color, violet color. Today we learn some alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's start. A for X, B for ball, C for carrot, D for doll, E for egg, F for fruit, G for glass, H for hot, I for ice, J for juice, K for king, L for lamp, M for moon, N for night, O for open, P for pot, Q for queen, R for rain, S for sheep, T for tomato, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for water, X for Xerox, Y for York, Z for zebra, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.